This was one of the busiest days of my work from home days. I woke up, I had these Hombale shots for hair and skin. I started this routine very recently and I hope it shows up the result. Then I had the staple South Indian household breakfast, which is dosa, and here I am adding karvepaku karam pudi onto the dosa, and I really like this combination, and my breakfast is ready. Here I am making ragi malt. This is water and ragi powder, and cook it for a few minutes and it's done. I've been taking this since 2-3 months and I can see the difference. You can also add salt or sugar if you want, but most of the times I have it without any add-ons. Then after some time I took a little break, watched some TV, and here I am watching Big Boss season 9 Telugu. Let me know you are also watching it in the comment section. Came back to kitchen and started the lunch prep, chopping the vegetables. And usually I don't like to spend much time in kitchen on any work day, so I'll choose dishes that are really easy to make and I don't feel exhausted or tired spending my time in kitchen, because after this I have to work also. So here I'm making simple egg curry and rice. So this is my lunch. So when the clock hit 3 p.m. I logged in and worked for some time. And I checked my YouTube analytics, and most people are watching but not subscribing to my channel. If you are watching this, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my updates. As I said, it was a busy day. I was hopping on calls in between, working on few tasks because it was Black Friday and the work was all over. After some time I took a short coffee break, made some nice coffee, black coffee and some French fries. I am someone who likes to have coffee. Here I am enjoying my coffee break with this beautiful view. Came back from the coffee break and working on few tasks. Beautiful view from my window. The sky literally turned from sky blue to pretty pink, and it felt so good to watch it. After that I journaled for some time, letting my thoughts, ideas, fears, everything all out on this piece of paper. I learned this habit from my niece because she used to let her feelings out on the paper, so I picked it up from her. After dinner, came to terrace to walk for some time because I was sitting in the same position for 2-3 hours straight, so I wanted to take a walk. Came back from the walk and walked till early morning. And this is it for the video, guys. I hope you like this video of mine. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye bye.